Hey there, everybody. Hope you're doing well. My name is John Phelps with Techmetric, and what I want to be able to show you here is a little bit about how BG works inside of Techmetric. With our partnership, our goal is to make your job that much easier when you go into shops that utilize our shop management system. By now, hopefully you're seeing more and more shops on your daily routes that utilize Techmetric. And just in case they have one of those questions, because they know BG's integrated, maybe you can help them answer those. Now, by no means do we want you or expect you to become any kind of experts, but if you can begin to help them answer those questions by knowing just a little bit about Techmetric, that'll deepen your relationship and hopefully help you sell more fluids. What if they didn't actually have that question in the first place? What if we're able to show you something that they weren't even aware of that can maximize their efficiencies in how to utilize your product, sell BG fluids, just because of the ease of use of this integration? Now, the first thing I want to be able to show you is how to turn the can jobs on and really what that does when they utilize those inside of Techmetric. Now, what you're looking at here, this is Techmetric. This is the job board. This is the home screen that a technician, a service advisor, a shop admin, even the owner would see whenever they log into their shop. Now, in order to make sure that this integration is turned on, you're going to scroll down here on this bottom left to Shop Settings. Once you're inside of Shop Settings, come up to the top right where it says Integrations, and then scroll down until you see the BG tile. Now, obviously, I've already got all 12 jobs enabled. However, if there's only a few or none at all, you can click Manage and simply select the boxes of the can jobs that you want to turn on, and then hit Save. Just like that, the BG can jobs are automatically uploaded into Techmetric. Now, that being said, they get uploaded with some fairly generic labor times, labor pricing, parts pricing. So in order to make sure that those are designed and customized by the shop, you can come over here to the can job button on that white tile on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on that, and you can even string search by BG. This is going to show you the BG integration, the BG can jobs that were automatically turned on and uploaded. Now, a couple of things. If you simply click on it, you can begin to edit the individual can job. You cannot change the title, the logo, can't delete that, that's gonna stay there. However, if you hit the edit pencil, what you can add to is the description, the labor times, the labor rates. You can actually add additional parts if they sell more than just that fluid kit. You want to add something in there, they can. The quantity, the cost, the pricing out the door. However, you can also go back into your can jobs. They can select multiple at once and manage them in a group. So if I select manage these 5 in particular, number 1, I can select the labor rate that I want to sell them at, let's say $95. I want to pre-assign them to a job category. And yes, I've got a BG job category I can assign those to. And then I can ensure that taxes are applied to the right pieces. I can click on Apply Settings, and all of a sudden, those BG jobs are automatically updated all at once. But once those are turned on and once those are utilized properly, well, let's see what it actually does for your shops and for the customers. Now, I've already got a customer right here that has a number of BG jobs on an estimate. When you send the estimate to your customers, it's going to look just like this. But keep in mind that BG branding is going to be on Techmetric's estimates when it's sent to a customer. So when they utilize that can job, there's the BG battery service. There is the logo. And then right here, well, that's going to open up the lifetime protection plan, the LPP, that is automatically attached when they utilize the BG fluids. That customer can click approve or decline. They can go ahead and authorize it. And just like that, you've sold that many more BG products. This is just to get us started on what it looks like to utilize BG inside of Techmetric. We hope to see you again soon.
Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and to share it with the rest of your team. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you would like to see more helpful videos for auto repair shops. Have a wonderful day.